this big blue chair. It was actually bigger than I thought. The structure here is the same thing as this, which will completely destroyed within 15 minutes. Oh, look at that, you see? How fine particles. Let's see where it goes. Goes in the spine, down the neck, in the large intestine over here. 3, 2, 1. Hey, subscribe, like, and share, please. Hello everyone, today I bring you a new place and it's me, Mehroz again. So today I bring you to a place where it's so fascinating and beautiful and I don't think so you'd ever see it before. Again, it's Biosphère. Just like last time Insectarium, today Biosphere. It's like a big drone and a museum inside it. It's a Montreal museum. Look, I want to show you something there. It's Biosphère, you see? That's the inside. Well, you're gonna enter. Okay, now we're here to decide the box. I want to tell you something. Science facts that we about the Terra under Great Fiery Chapter. This chapter on the 20th May 1976 burned in fine tenderness. And they say spectacular fire as a mind. It's spectacular. They just said spectacular because it looks, infused with what is actually a disaster. This Google even doing this fire slope. And over here, I'm gonna explain every step. They're gonna explain everything how this happened. Gone in 15 minutes. On May 20th, 1976, parts from the welding work accidentally set fire to the acrylic panels, which were completely destroyed within 15 minutes. The fire also burned 3 of the buildings within the sphere. Still, despite that extent of the times, the steel structure was able to withstand the heat. The acrylic panels was never existing. The structure here is the same thing as this. So the pipes to connect as you put in all of these things. That's the same as this. Oh dear, I have to leave the case, although I'm 6 to 15 years old. Okay, I don't really know how these actually verify. Now we're gonna go in the elevator and we're gonna go on the second floor. Now we're actually gonna roll on the fish floor. Those with the whole cup. Because there's water everywhere. So you can see that bridge. That's where the helmets go on the other side. At the downtown Montreal. And you see, if you know the La Ronde, for the people which don't cut it anything. So for the people which do not know what's La Ronde, Now, the one is like a amusement park, the biggest amusement park in Montreal. So that tells you it's is a really good. By that first me all the way there, I don't think so you can see it, but if you see it, I can. Okay, there are like some pictures, and all the way like there's a big town here too. Now we have a free telescope. We're gonna see a close view. So these videos are like floating some. Okay, now we're gonna go in this film place. And just like you remember last in that video where we did in the cinema of the Sonic 2. Yeah. But it's almost like the same thing with the park favorite. And it's just great all around us. So we can make videos like this, which means I'm gonna see you after. Following more everything clothing.
That's the message stuff. Wow, and I don't have it. I
yeah, well, now we're actually it's not time for the movie. So after the movie, we're gonna show you the views here. Let's just take a little view. Okay, now this place is a part of the museum and it's full like science. The gravity stuff, the microscope, the telescope, human body parts. Okay, and that. Let's take the book here. People that cold. This is a microscope. There is like some, I think some diseases and stuff here. So here I'm gonna see it. Oh, look at that, you see it? Now we're gonna see the Biosphère. Nicer than the oxide. Okay. Ammonia. Carrying ammonia from the eyes to lungs to the skin. Okay, first let's start very coarse particles. Look how that happened. Now, coarse particles. I think that they get tomorrow to work. This is like food and it goes down and down and down and down in the 2 years. You have fine particles. Let's see where it goes. Goes in the spine, down the neck, in the large intestine over here. Now we see ultra fine particles. There you are. You see where it's gonna go? There. Okay. It goes there, it goes there, oh my. Okay, let's see. It's over there. So this is like the stuff that never keep cheating in the garage in the house. So they're talking about the constant one like the carbon dioxide and the hydrogen in every place. It sounds so weird. Daddy. No. This insect in this is the fly larva. What can it be called? This is a giant stone fly larva. It's here north, right? North, or oh, look at this! This is like it's a leaf. What the do with on the grind, bank shall never come to pass. All related to us currently, and especially no hope warming time. So, or reminded to winter time. It's whenever it felt like. The way is pretty nice. The earth is like too when it's cool and after the two it's too hot. So let's see this. Now we're gonna show you the view of Saturn. So let's go. There's a ton of pictures here on my challenge, but I would go under all of them. 32, 6. This big blue chair. It was actually bigger than I thought. It was because whenever I was on that, it looked so small, like an average chair. I'm gonna go on this now, and I'm a bit scared because it's rainy and it'll be slippery. So 3, 2, 1. I'm on top, I'm the king. Now we're done for the day. I hope you liked our big journey of this biosphere, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and extra subscribe 2 times more. Bye! Hey, subscribe, like, and share, please.